Welcome to Touch and Fetch.
Hey guys, welcome to our new video on OnePlus BudsZ. The overview of the OnePlus BudsZ is that it's worth of money. As they mentioned, the base is good in it. It has advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology with two microphones, one on left and one on right, and it comes with noise cancellation, which has the clarity and stable audio of the person speaking on other side to us. The box of OnePlus Buds Z consists of a pair of Buds Z, a charging case, a user guide, silicone ear tips of three sizes S, M, and L, safety and warranty card, USB Type C charging cable. A battery capacity of a single earbud is 40 mAh and the charging case is 450 mAh. Its wireless range is up to 10 meters only. If you charge it for 10 minutes, you can hear music up to 3 hours, which is the fast charging device which I have used till now. So we can charge it up to 10 minutes and we can take so that we can have a charge of 3 hours in emergency times. The weight of the earbuds is 4.35 grams and the weight of the charging case is 40 grams. It comes with sweat and water resistance of IP5. If you single tap the earbuds, then it will be used for answering calls or denying calls, and it can be used for also play pause video. And when one headphone is removed from our ears, automatically the song or the video gets paused, and when we insert it into our ears back, it gets automatically played, which feature is been given on Realme Buds, and OnePlus BudsZ also comes with the same feature. It transforms your audio in elevating your sound with dynamic 3D stereo with Dolby Atmos. When it comes to playtime, when it's fully charged, we can hear music up to 5 hours and we can talk continuously in phones up to 3 hours. The key features or features which I loved in this OnePlus Buds is the bass is very best in this and it is very stylish when you wear on it. The people who needs to buy earbuds can go to OnePlus BudsZ because it's worth of money and it's worth of quality. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching it. Hope you subscribe and share our channel. See you in our next video, guys.